One trade per day is all you need. That's all you need. It's Wednesday. Just playing the code. Going for a quick 20 ticks. Should be able to get it. You can do this every day. Just sit here and make money. All because they've got it under control by a computer. You know what I mean? It's like cheating in your trading, but the real cheating is the computer that they've put it under, you know? If they hadn't put this under control, the computer wouldn't be able to cheat like this. That's their problem, their fault, their mistake. But there's a reason why they've done it. And there's a reason why you can make money at this every day very, very easily, like I just did. Because it's all controlled by a computer. You understand? I'm revealing the biggest secret on planet Earth with respect to the financial system. That the whole entire financial system is a scam, being controlled by a computer program. It doesn't really trade. You understand the significance of what it is I'm saying? I'm a scientist and broke the whole entire code for it. I can tell which direction it's going to go before it goes there, 24 hours per day, using code 1. I can hit big trades using code 2. These are all representations of the computer. That's why people call me a scam, because they don't want other people to realize what it is I'm teaching is the truth. They don't want people to know this information. I mean, imagine that. Not only do they put it under control of the computer, but then they lie and keep people from learning about it. Huh? That's what I'm doing here now, is I'm taking trade after trade every day and showing how accurate the system is. Why is it so accurate? Because it's controlled by a computer. Nobody could be that accurate in real trading. Nobody in the world. Not possible. Actually, I have seen a guy one time trade stocks. And of course, stocks don't trade by a computer. The indexes do, but not the individual stocks. And he was able to have like a 90% accuracy in real trading. Of course, he only took like one trade, but one trade a day pretty much, similar to this. But he did have that high of an accuracy without cheating. So I take that back. It is possible, but very few people in the world could do it. This guy was, you know, the best of the best with respect to trading. So, but who can do what he can do? I can't even do what he could do. So, anyway, but with the code, it's like cheating, and you can know which direction it's going to go before it goes there, because it's all controlled by a computer. In other words, without you even realizing it, here's the code right here. You don't need anything else. People keep asking me, what do you need to plug into the software? Can I use this software? Is it all right? You know, they think I've got some kind of thing I plug into the chart or something like that. No, the code's right here. You just don't see it. You don't see what the code is. The code is the computer giving a tell which direction it's about to go, whether up or down. The programmers, when they program it, they made a flaw in the program. There's a flaw in there that they apparently can't get rid of. And it's their Achilles heel. And it shows which direction it's about to go. That's how I keep taking entries and keep getting it right over and over again. Because there's a flaw to the program. It's a closed system. It's not an open system. It's a closed system. Which direction it's going to go has already been predetermined. 100%. It's just following its predetermined program. And when it does this, it gives away tells at certain points. And you can tell which way it's about to go from these tells. That's the code system. With respect to trading and a trader, it's the biggest breakthrough in world history. It is the breakthrough. There could never be a system superior to it. It would be a mathematical impossibility. Unless you already had a program that could take advantage of the program, that would be superior. Other than that, with respect to the general overall system, it's the best system that you could possibly get, which I prove. And the more I try to prove it, the more they call me a scam. That's why I am now also showing that I haven't just broken the Futures Code, I've also broken the Freemason Code, I've also broken the Hollywood Code, proving mathematically a conspiracy by the Freemasons and by Hollywood to hate God, hate Christ, and get people to hate righteousness and hate that which is holy. And people, people are pretty lost. They really are. So, anyway, I am doing the right thing. I am helping people to make money. I am teaching people what's going on in the world. I am showing people that this is controlled by a computer, not hiding it like most people would all do. I am taking up my cross, and I am being persecuted, and I am following Christ, and I am doing the right thing. That is what I am required to do. And the more I'm persecuted, and the more I'm harassed and mocked and ridiculed, the happier I am, as Christ said. For they persecuted and mocked all the prophets, and killed Christ himself. So, they are going to persecute me and mock me and ridicule me and bully me in person as they are doing, and they're not going to stop. And they don't want people to wake up to the truth of what's going on. They don't want people to know that the entire financial system is controlled by a computer and that it's them who have put it under control of a computer. They don't want people to wake up. I am here to wake people up. I'll be back with more videos to teach and to show the trading. Happy trading.